Hello again. So we're going to find questions on Quora to answer so we can get traffic to our website or affiliate links. So we're not going to post any affiliate links in these answers, these questions that we answer. So here we've typed in affiliate marketing, and here this is quite good. Follow 1,400. So we're looking for recent and a follow count of over 100, but there's unfortunately 1,600 answers, so we're not looking to answer any of these because it would just be too much competition, and it's the same here. So we would be not looking also to answer questions from 10 months ago and things like that. So we'll be looking for the sweet spot, 100 followers at least, and then under probably 200 to 300 answers. So sometimes it's playing about with it to find out. So here's not too bad. Really just a month or so ago, it's 144 followers and 160 answers. So that's kind of what we're looking for. So we go to follow and we go to answer. So you may be a great copywriter and things like that, but for those that are not, would like to use chat GPT, so it's quite clever. Even though it's AI, it can write answers if it doesn't appear to be AI. So we'll head over to that just now, and this is what we're going to do. We're just going to write something in here. Please, a new keyboard, but please answer this question. So we'll come back once we've typed in. So here we go. Please answer this question for Quora. Make it personal, not AI generated. How difficult is affiliate marketing? And then that's what, right? So just really going to copy and paste it. It lets me do so. Go from the start, and it's evolved into this beast almost that it does it really well, and we're on the wrong we don't post the link. We're just going to write that, and we click post, and then we would do this like 3 times a day. We would maybe search for, we would answer 3 questions a day rather. So maybe put in SEO or something and see what's on that one. And once again, it got some follows from Friday. It's got a lot of follows answers, so we'd maybe not want to use that one. So sometimes it's difficult to find the right one. So here's another one, not too bad. Which are the best SEO tools for beginners? We follow and then answer, and then we would do the exact same thing. We would copy it into ChatGPT and then post another answer, and we would do that 3 times a day. So through what actually happens with Quora, it begins to share your answers with more people. So if we go to the stats, I've even had 1 upvote, so that's like a like, and starting to get some views to the answers that we actually write. So if we go to profile, if it lets me do it, yeah, so here we click on to the profile, so the 166 views for this month. So that's how you get traffic using Quora. So if you want a business like no other, that you can drive traffic to it. So click the link in the description and we'll see you there. Bye bye for now.